Alright guys, welcome back to another How It Works video. I'm your guy Nerdy G, and today we're talking OPusClip. Listen, if this is your first time to the channel, I do everything by the playlist. So if you want to know how things work, you'll get the playlist for how things work. Check out all of those videos. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and do all of those good things. Like I say, today we are talking about the OPusClip. You guys may have seen it around. You guys want to know if it's real, if it's all that, and is it what it's cracked up to be? It is. So that's what I'm going to tell you off bat. All right. So first things first, I'm gonna show you how easy OPusClip is. Right here you go. You get credits. Right. I got a year subscription, and if you run out before, then all you do is click on add more clips. Just that simple, right? So pretty much you get a pack. Is the money worth it? Me personally, pay the year price, save a little money, and be done with it. Okay. If you need to add more, you can add more. Just that simple, right? So we'll back out of that. How easy is it, as you ask? I'm gonna just show you. You go to YouTube. If you're uploading things to YouTube, you go to YouTube, you grab the shareable link. It says get a shareable link. You get that shareable link, you come up here, you paste it right in here, right? And once you paste it right in here, you get one of these right here. And you're kind of going, what? Okay, let me actually show you. Let me run through a process. I have, as you can see, these two are where we at. These two are already. These are once you schedule them on YouTube or you make the video private on YouTube, it takes away the thumbnail because it can't read from it. But I do have a podcast that's coming out, and it'll be posted later on today as I'm recording this. So basically, what you will see is you come in here and you go to liked, and as you can see, it lets you know, hey, this right here, that means it's posted. These are the 15 clips that I chose. I went through here and I liked these. Out of 30, I liked it 15 of those. And out of those 15, I scheduled 15. So simple, okay? Simple. All right, so let me go back and I'm gonna go to the home and I'm gonna show you guys a whole process, just how it goes from start to finish. I do have a couple videos that are coming up. So if that is episode 230, let me see. That's episode 238. Let me get episode 239 and let me cue that up. All right. Oh, I can't do 239. I know I can't do 239, but what I'll do is I'll cue up 240. 240 is going to be a wonderful show. So yes, I do a lot of my shows in advance because my shows are timeless. So be sure to check out the podcast. It's called Oh That's Random Podcast, wherever you get it from. So let me show you some of the great things about Opus. Here you go. One click. I copy my YouTube link. All right. Here it goes. Boom. That's my video right there. Okay. Now, it's going to tell you, this is how many credits you're going to use, 26. 26 credits is how long the video is. The video is 26 minutes long. So it's going to use that. You can shorten it if you like, all right? So then what you want to do is you're going to use clip anything, right? You can do auto, let AI choose it. Clip anything, it's the best. Use that, okay, at all times. Clip length, I always try to keep mine below 60 seconds just because of YouTube and their shorts or whatever the case may be. You don't want a minute and 20 seconds to turn into a video. So as of right now, it is still at 60 seconds. So I try to keep everything to 60 seconds and under so I can easily schedule out those. All right, so you can either let AI detect it, or you can click on podcast lifestyles and you can show more. We already know this is a podcast. We're going to click on it, okay? And so here you go. I like to save some of my credits because I have multiple shows. And when I say I have multiple shows, if you guys check the YouTube, you'll see the playlist, the Snake Time with Nerdy, the Red Cup Edition, and a couple other shows. I actually use Opus for this because I want to get them out there, especially the gaming, right? So this is what I'll do. So I know what the ending is, right? So we'll stop this at about the 25 mark. And then the show doesn't really get started until around the 2-minute mark, okay? I'm shaving 2 minutes off. You guys don't think that those 2 minutes add up? They do. All right, so there we go. 2 minutes. So I went from 26 to 22. Okay, there we go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make sure that I have my template. If you don't have the business, you're automatically going to start out with 2 preset templates that you can choose from. So for me, because this is That's Random, the podcast, I'm going to go right here. I'm going to click on that, the preset template. That's what I want. And then I'm going to click get clips, and we're done. And we're done. We're done. That's how easy it is to upload and do Opus. That's how easy it is, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So that's going to take, it says ETA 10 minutes. Fine. Let me show you the finished product. I uploaded this one yesterday. So basically, go in here and you click, and it's going to say, oh, you have 24 clips. I have yet to listen to any of these, right? That's why it still says new. So if you leave it on there and it says new, that's how you know it's not there, or what? That's how you know you haven't done anything. So as you can tell, it's not letting me click on any of these because I haven't liked, disliked, or haven't edited anything. This is me, and this is what I've found to be better to work for my better workflow. Click here. You push play. You guys are gonna hear it.
She was telling people get up and get the left out. Like she's go. That's what she was telling them. Get out of here. Get out of here. Y'all don't want to be in here. Y'all don't want to eat this nasty stuff. Why would you sit here and eat this? That milk that you got expired. That coffee that you got, that's like 7 coffee pots ago. 7. Listen, you coffee drinkers.
I like that one already, right? That's 21 seconds, but it goes a minute long, right? So if I were to listen to it all the way, right? If I like the beginning, if I like the first 30 seconds, I'm keeping it, right? So what I'll do is I'll just hit the little like button here. Okay. And then what I'll do is, because this is only 24 clips, what I'll do is I'll stay in this. To me, this is the easiest way to kind of like run through your content to see if you really like it, right? And if you don't like it, hit the thumbs down, and they'll ask it. There's a little that'll pop up, and see, sometimes it'll tell you that it's trending too, right? So hey, IHOP employees outburst, workplace safety concerns, viral videos, restaurant employees. It'll tell you as of September 16th, which was yesterday, this was a hot topic. Okay, so because of that, it recognizes that it's letting you know, hey, this is a possible. This right here will let you know, hey, the hook sets the stage for something interesting about to happen, building for more anticipation. Okay, what's the flow? Explanation is clear, concise, elaborating on context. Okay, what's the value? The setup is engaging, and the promise is a relatable scenario. All right, and then the trend, the clip directly references an IHOP employee outburst. Okay, so these are good, right? These are all A minuses, 97s. Okay, so I'm gonna hit the play button, see if I like the first.
So I'm gonna get to it, and it's about literally, right? Crashing out. Where are we crashing out at? Okay, so I'm gonna hit this, play it, and I want you guys to tell me what you will do. Let's see. All right, I hope y'all got it. Basically, homegirl at IHOP. She working at IHOP. Something must have happened in the back. She don't like it. Whatever happened. All right, but now she crashing out. Now she telling all the customers they dirty little secrets in the back. All right.
Now I'm gonna show you, and I'll show you this right here, because this is something that I added to that template, and I'll do that in a separate video just to kind of show you guys how the whole template process works, right? So this is the hook. This is like something that you will use as a teaser for your podcast. So okay, this is what we're talking about this week, and you kind of get a idea. So now you put this here, the YouTube channel's Nerdy's Umbrella. Let's go over here and see what the hell's going on. Okay, and then you just kind of go from there. Or the other way that you can do it is you can come by and you can push play.
Now she telling all the customers they dirty.
And then you can come and push play on all of these and then like them that way. Me personally, I like pushing
little
play.
Secrets in the back.
Me personally, I like clicking on them and just going down. Because then once I go down on these, right, just click down. I don't have to just to each his own, however you feel, right? But this is OPusClip in a nutshell. Okay, when I say in a nutshell, this is it in a nutshell. You saw what I did? Took the clip, pasted it, gave it my parameters, and then voila. But it shows you everything that you need. It literally is a walkthrough. Don't believe me? Check this out. Let me show you how good I am at this. And not a brag, not a flex, but look, post it. This is how far you can go out. You can go far out as you need to, right? Content is already scheduled out all the way up until October the 3rd. And I'm not done. And what I'll do is I'll come back and I'll show you guys, I'll do a video on some of the stuff is like a little bit more strenuous, right? But I'll show you guys how you can take some of your original content that isn't on YouTube or just something that you created in your phone, and how you can click and add it and do a post. And they got some other cool features too. So I'll end it right here because I don't want this video to be too long, but this is just a quick overview of how Opus works, right? We still have 4 minutes left on this video being uploaded. Well, it says 7, it goes back and forth, but trust me guys, it's worth it in my opinion, just because, hey, it's quick, it's easy. I'll get into some of the editing and how that works in other videos, but stay tuned to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. Also too, there's links in the description, so if you want to try out Opus, click the link in the description. It helps out the channel. It helps me continue to make videos like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.